Yo, what the fuck? Ah, shit. We good? We're good. Alright, yo, boys, today's day 11 of passing a 100k funded challenge using the MambaFX Breakout strategy. Yo, today, no fucking around, straight into the video. Today I do try something new, and it is to do with partials and taking partials, which I will show you. Where I got the influence from was from Mamba himself, from a video I watched him post yesterday on his most recent video to do with the war markets. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Before 1,000 subscribers, become a fucking OG. Peace.
At a 1-to-1, I'm going to put stops to break even and close half, and I'm going to let the rest run before. Okay, see what I just said? You see how I just said exactly what I'm going to do? That's easy. The hard part is actually doing it the entire week. Now,
I'm going to hold out for target 1 to 2, try to make my money fast and just get out.
it reverses on you, you lose. If you would have just flipped to break even, you would have made money. Now your entire strategy is all up because you can't stay consistent. So don't just say you're going to do something. Actually.
Come on, there, boys. Come on. I'm so gassed. Big up. We are hitting 1,000 subscribers this week or in the next few days, right? So big up every single one of you. Come on. Right, yo, I've just had so many issues with my recording setup, but yo, we're straight into this shit. Like, market's literally just opened as I press record. So we'll see how this shit goes. Let me boom on that. See what happens. Right, we're in the buy. We are in the buy. We'll see what happens. I'm so everywhere right now. I'm literally everywhere right now. Essentially, when we get a 1-to-1, our shit, which we've just done, I'm going to close half of the position. Whoa, this shit's flying. Honestly, boys, at this point, I'm literally all over at this point. All my recording setup all messed up from the beginning, so I didn't even have time to set my stop loss, know my lot size, using my calculator. That's in my Discord, by the way, if you want that. But this is why I've not already taken 50% of my position yet, even though I should have. And also, when it hit a 1-to-2, if I'm risking $500 risk, it should be 500, and that should be 1,000. But in fact, I did under risk today. My lot size wasn't the correct lot size. Like I say, because I didn't use my calculator beforehand, this is why it's so important to obviously be able to manage risk. But we'll come back tomorrow, and next week I'm going to be trying this all next week. So if you're interested in seeing me play out this method, I'm not just going to give this the one go and the one try and give up on it. I am going to try further. We'll see me play this out. Like now. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put shit to break even, stops to break even, and I'm just going to let this shit run. That was a really easy dub. I am so everywhere right now because of my recording shit. I've literally just had this all messed up. But yo, we got a target 2 straight away, boom. In and out just like that. And now what I'm going to do, so I've got stops to break even. We have just closed 340 profit. And essentially what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to let this run. The profit is there at the bottom if you want to see that. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. And yeah, we're just going to let this run. Let this ride out. Remember, I am at half risk this week because we have been so down on the challenge. But yeah, so what we've done there is, it's got to a 1-to-1. I've taken 50% of my profit. I mean, I took it at 1-to-2, but we'll continue. Put stops to break even, and now I'm just going to let this shit run out until 1-to-4, 1-to-5. And that way, hopefully, I'm going to build the account back because, like you said, we are down. I'm risking a 0.5% rather than a full 1%. And yeah, we're going to try and recoup. This week has not been the best, but see what we can do. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. But either way, we've closed out $340 profit. So it is a winning day overall. Wow, this shit is flying right now. What the fuck? It would. As soon as I start putting my shit on 0.5% risk, of course, this shit's going to just start flying, innit? So all risk is off the table right now.
Get there. As you can see, this is a uptrend.
This is what I'm doing.
You see the resistance, you see the break of the resistance. I took my buy position, we shot up, boom, stops to break even. Took about 10K profit here, let the rest run. We'll see what happens, let the rest run, bam. Kept going. Next thing you know, I make $30,000 in one single day while risking $0 because we already hit that 1-to-1.
Right, look, this is literally what I'm doing. I've already hit a 1-to-1. Stops are already at break even.
Try this, especially during war markets. Trust me, just try this. It is very hard to lose when you're at break even. In fact, it's impossible to lose when you're at break even. So even better, you're at break even, you took some profit, you can't lose. All you can do now is win. Maybe it's a minimal win, but a win is a win and a loss is a loss. You'd rather have a small win than a loss. Trust me. So try this out. Try this little thing out, man. Take your stops to break even, cut half your profit, let the rest run to a 1 to 4. See what happens. You may be surprised. I did this 4 times this week, and let's just say, very profitable week for me. I actually made really good money, even though the markets have slowed down and got a little weird on me.
So yeah, that's literally what we're doing right now. Oh my God, what the fuck's going on? Yeah? All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Yeah, that's cheeky, that. That's cheeky, that. 1 to 1, 2, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5. You see? That's how shit works. Just need to back up a little bit. That's how we do it. That's it. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right, I'm gonna trail stop loss. Actually quite annoying watching this bit now because I was actually genuinely gonna try and trail my stop loss, but with this trade, with the broker platform I'm using, I actually just don't. I realised at the time I actually just don't actually know how to do it. So I could have actually secured a lot more profit today, but again, we keep moving. I don't know. I don't even know how you properly trail this shit, to be honest with you. Ah, man. So based off that video, what I've seen basically, boys, is essentially what we're doing is, look, we're taking a 1 hour, taking our half a profit. So we're taking, for example, £500. In our example, it's actually 250. We've got a little bit more. Then we're just letting the half of the lot run, half of our position run, and at a 4 hour closing. That's essentially it. So yeah.
Being said, what exactly is the most important factor here? It's that you stay consistent. It's that you tell yourself, okay, I'm gonna try this. At a 1 to 1, I'm gonna put stops to break even and close half, and I'm gonna let the rest run to 4. Okay, see what I just said? You see how I just said exactly what I'm gonna do? That's easy. The hard part is actually doing it the entire week. Now, most people are gonna come on here, say they're gonna do it, and at a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, freak out.
Oh my God, I've never seen myself up this much. It's actually working. I'm gonna close.
Do you know what Mamba, literally Mamba says in this video, is just like, yo, you're not going to be used to it, just stick consistent to it, play it out. So I guess that's what I'm just going to have to do. I think I am maybe being a little too, maybe I'm waiting too much for the full on dot on. Like if I'm seeing some sort of resistance, maybe it was a good time to get out. But do you know what? I'm just going to walk away from this trade and I'm going to come back in about 2 minutes. I'm going to walk away from this trade, come back in 2 minutes, and if we get broke even, we get broke even. We take a win. It's a little win, but Alright, peace.
Oh, Brandon. Oh, Brandon. Brandon. Oh, Brandon, you're so bullish. Oh, Brandon. Oh.
Woo! Right, everyone. I've just realised as well that this Fibonacci that I use in Mamba's group, this is actually the old one. The new one is actually the one I have on my trading view, and we did actually hit a 1 to 4 with his levels. So I actually should have already been exited, but you know what? Fuck it, is what it is. We are learning. I'm just gonna keep on learning, keep on trying, and yeah, man.
Actually do it, stay consistent, and follow your trading plan the entire week. Watch what happens for you. It's gonna be.
So yeah, this is literally what I'm trying. This is literally what I'm trying to do, but fucking why is it coming down? Why are you coming back down? See. I tell you what though, the thing about already taking profit at 1 to 1 and putting stops to break even, you definitely feel a lot more comfortable holding the trade. So for example, even if I get broken out today, even if it hits break even today, right? If this was one of them days where shit just keeps flying and going up and up and up and up, like, I can't lie, like that'd be pretty cool, isn't it? So, we'll see. But it is coming down heavy. I mean, we tried. I did try. Like, today was just a learning day. It was a try. And I just got stopped out. Fucking hell. I mean, we was up $700, but I mean, we win either way, right? We win either way. It's worth me trying. I am just learning. I'm trying to try shit out, right? Imagine this just goes all the way back up now. I would be fuming. Do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Maybe I'm being a bit too precise. I mean, when I started to see resistance here, maybe I should have got out, but is that me not sticking to the plan? It truly didn't hit a 104, right? I need to stay and stick to the plan.
Try this out. Try this little thing out, man. Take your stops to break even. You know, cut half your profit. Let the rest run go 1 to 4.
Yeah. I mean, did I hit a 104? I mean, it was fucking 0.2 under, right? But it is what it is. I probably should have got out looking back now, but I'm learning, man. If you guys want to try this as well, feel free. I'm just watching and trying to learn. So, yeah. Overall, not this was a really good day. But yeah, another learning curve, another learning day. I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. I might keep trying out this strategy. Oh, don't tell me. Yeah, we got stopped out, but keep it moving. We should have exited out here. We should be up 1%, but we keep it moving. Like, this is it. Like, I'm trying to think of this shit for the year, because if I get this strategy, if I get this nailed down, I'm fucking cool, man.